Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to identify songs playing nearby and add them to your Spotify playlist on your Android 15 phone. If you have Android 15, there is an option to identify songs playing nearby, and you need to have that enabled first. So let's go to Settings. In Settings, go to Sound and Vibration. On different phones it may be named differently, but you should just be able to find it. Then scroll down until you find Now Playing. Now make sure that option is enabled. You may also want to have the notifications enabled, so it will notify you about songs, but if you don't, then you'll still be able to find Now Playing history. Then you may also want to change the default music player. I'm gonna set it to Spotify, so I'll be able to easily add them later to the playlist. And now, when there is a song playing nearby, I'm gonna play something. Then you can see after a moment I've received a notification about that song, so I can click on it. Then I can click on it again, and then click on Open in Spotify. Then it'll open this song in Spotify, and to add it to your Spotify playlist, click on this plus button. It'll ask add it to the liked song, but if you can click on Change, then you can add it to a different playlist. I'm gonna create a new playlist. Then it is added into that playlist. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.